So when the batch execution is initiated from Visual Studio, the browser will be opened and Dynamics 365 will be launched. Now the script will enter the valid credentials and log into the application. So once everything is loaded, the user will then be navigated to the Sales drop-down and then Leads. Then it will click and open a new lead. Again, once all the business logics are loaded, the user will be in the lead creation page, and the mandatory values in the lead page are filled in and saved. A task will then be added to the lead. And then the lead will be qualified. Now the lead is converted into an opportunity, which will be verified by the automation script in the back end. And then, as always, all the mandatory fields will be filled in. The script will then add the price list and the product line items to the opportunity. So here you can see the product line item being added. We then click on the plus button against quote and verify that a quote is created. So here the automation script verifies that the product and quote details are added correctly. Once this has been verified, the user will then log out of the CRM application. And we'll move on to the finance module. So the script will automatically launch the URL for the finance module, and the user will be logged in. So now once everything is loaded, the script will then search for CRM sale. So now, as you can see here, the search gave us one result, which was Microsoft Dynamics CRM sales orders. So this will contain all the sales orders that have been shipped from Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So the script will then click on this link here and we will then be navigated to the sales order page. So here the script will use the order name to search for the order we just submitted in the sales module. So as you can see, here is the order we just submitted. So the script will now click on this submitted order. And then it will select the submitted order and click Ship and Invoice, and then click Yes to open the posted invoice. The automated script will then click on Create Invoice in Dynamics CRM, as you'll see in the top left corner here. And our script has been done in such a way that multiple refreshes are done in this page until the invoice button turns active. So synchronization notifications, as you'll see in blue here, will be received until invoicing is actually possible. So now, as you'll see here, the invoice button is now active and the script will click on this button. After doing this, the user will then be navigated to sales and then to invoice. Now at this stage, the automated script will verify the details on this page, so the product and the price of the invoice, and then validate if all of this is correct. Then it will click on the next stage button to push it to review, and then click on Finish to send the invoice. Now it will click on the Invoice Paid button. A pop-up titled Paid Invoice will come up. The script will provide the reason as complete and then click on OK. The script will now verify if the paid option is displayed in the footer. The user will now be logged out of the application and the script has come to an end. So now we'll be looking at the reporting folder that gets created during the process. So within this report folder, the user can see the verification steps and the screenshots. And now, as you can see, the script has also created a report based on the various verifications and validations in all the different stages of executing this scenario. So now we have actually come to the end of our demo for Prospect to Cash. I really hope that everyone found it useful, and thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to join us. Please feel free to ask any questions at the end of the session. Thank you very much.